Hey guys, what's going on? It's Hector here, floor specialist at Opus Renovations. This is a project we did roughly 2 years ago. This is a workshop for an industrial paving company. It roughly measured around 4,500 square feet, and yeah, this concrete was in really bad condition, and it was really deteriorated from all the work performed, all those engine blocks dropping onto the floor, tools, jacks, heavy equipment. And this is what it looks like now. So stick around, and you guys will see how we transform this space into something new. And one thing I forgot to mention, on this project, we had to bring the big boys, the big grinders. Heavy enough and strong enough to remove oil stains that are penetrated into the concrete, any contaminants, and prior coatings for better adhesion. So we finally finished grinding the whole area. It took about 2 to 3 days. Right now the guys are just grinding over the areas that we patched over with our special concrete or our 2-part epoxy. Once those areas are smoothed out, we'll vacuum everything up and get ready for the base coat. So this area and the hallways was a nightmare. They had a self-leveling underlayment concrete system that failed in about 8 months. We had to chip it all out to get down to the concrete substrate. It was a lot of work, but it's something that, has to get done in order for our system not to fail. This definitely had to get removed. Sometimes going the extra mile makes all the difference in delivering real value. It took us approximately 12 to 16 hours to remove this overlayment coating, but now at least we feel confident that our system's gonna last. In the final touches, we do a skim coat overlay to fill in all those divots, pinholes, and cracks. Once it dries, we grind it smooth, give it one last vacuum, and get the base coat ready for install. Here's a time lapse. This Flake color blend is called Schist. A lot of people call it Schist, but I prefer Schist. It's a mix of whites and grays, kind of resembling like a marble countertop per se. This color will definitely brighten up a space, make it feel less busy and cleaner. But yeah, let's keep scraping and vacuuming so we can apply that final top coat. Back to the time lapse. And here's the final result. A Schist full flake floor system that's not only durable enough for industrial use, but also gives this workspace a clean, professional look. It's easier to maintain, more resistant to damage, and built to perform for years. A floor like this just doesn't improve the look of the space. It completely changes how it performs. If you're thinking about upgrading your garage, workshop, or commercial facility, a professional floor coating system can make all the difference. If you've enjoyed this transformation, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more floor transformations just like this one. And if you'd put this Schist flake floor in your space, feel free to reach out to us at www.opusrenovations.net, click on the Contact Us button, and fill out the online form, and one of our reps will reach out to you. Hope you have a good one, and catch you on the next project.
Upstream, all you